Let's answer these questions. We are simplifying this. So a, dividing powers at the same base, a, and then we have 7 minus negative 2. You know what we have? A to the power 7 plus 2, which is a to the power 9. Then b, this is like x to the power 1, so it's going to be x to the power 1 minus negative 2. So it becomes x to the power 1 plus 2, which is x to the power 3. Then c, you can start by multiplying the coefficients, but if you want, you can simplify, divide 6 by 3, and then get 2, then divide 4 by 2. Still the same thing, but you can say 4 times 3, which is 12, then x to the power 7, y to the power 7, over 6x squared, y to the power 4. And then 6 into 6, 1, 6 into 12, 2. So I left with 2 times x to the power 7 minus 2. These are powers at the same base, so we can subtract the exponents there. And then y to the power 7 minus 4. And then we get 2x to the power 5 times y to the power 3. And then d, we have 3 to the power 2n plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1. So it's 3 to the power 2n plus 1 minus, put this in the bracket, the one you're subtracting, n minus 1, and then distribute negative 1 there. So it becomes 3 to the power 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1. Then it becomes 3 to the power n plus 2. That's the answer.